Hi, I'm Mommy Bernadette, and welcome to my first ever art vlog. In today's video, I am going to show you how I did the wall decoration for my son's Toy Story themed birthday celebration. Now, let's start with the project. First, I mounted the sky blue cartolina on the wall so I can estimate the sizes of the letters and to measure the spaces in between all the decorations. Now, I will show you how I draw and cut the letters. To create a border for the letters, paste them on another colored paper, then cut it out. Now, it's time to draw and cut the clouds. For this one, I just used an ordinary bond paper. For the balloon decoration, I tied 3 pieces of it at one end so that it would be easier to braid it together. Here's how to do it. Now here's how to do the flaglets. First, fold the paper into half. Then, fold it again into 3 parts. Draw a triangle at one surface. Then cut it. Out of one paper, we can make 6 flaglets. Just repeat the same process with other colored papers. To make the banner of flags, simply attach the flaglets on a string or yarn. With this one, I used a Scotch tape to hold the flaglets together with a string. Finally, I'm done with all the decorations. Now, I'm ready to put everything on the wall. And that's it! Our Toy Story themed wall decoration. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time! Thank you for watching! If you like this video, please give this a thumbs up and share it to your friends and to your families. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap on the notification bell for you to be updated with my upcoming covers and videos. Thank you!